Hello traders, you are welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at one of the most powerful volume-based trading tools, and that is the Anchored VWAP. And specifically, we want to consider using this indicator for swing trading. Okay, so if you are a swing trader, you know how important it is to find key levels of support and resistance that actually matter. So the Anchored VWAP helps you do that by showing where the real money is positioned in the market. Okay, whether you trade forex, stocks, or crypto, this strategy will give you high probability trade setup by tracking the volume weighted average price from specific points in the market. Before we jump in, smash that like button if you are ready to take your trading to the next level, and subscribe so you never miss out on powerful strategies like this one. Now let us get started. First of all, let us talk about what Anchored VWAP is. What actually is this indicator? Now, VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. It calculates the average price of an asset based on volume, giving you a much clearer picture of where the major players are accumulating or distributing their positions. The difference between traditional VWAP and anchored VWAP is simple. Traditional VWAP resets every day and is mostly used for intraday trading. Anchored VWAP allows you to choose specific points in the market to start the calculation, like highs, lows, breakouts, or reversals, making it extremely useful for swing trading. By anchoring VWAP to key price points, you can track where buyers and sellers are more active, helping you identify strong areas of support and resistance. Now that you understand the power of anchored VWAP, let us go step by step on how to set it up in TradingView and use it for swing trading. All right, you have to open your TradingView and go to your preferred asset, whether it's a forex asset, a stock, or a crypto asset. Click on indicators and you search for the anchored VWAP. All right, and select it. Now, the next step is choosing the right anchor point. Okay, the key to using anchored VWAP effectively is picking the right anchor point. So here are some of the best spots to anchor from. You can anchor from major swing highs or lows. Okay, these levels act as key turning points. You can also anchor from breakout points. All right. If price breaks out from a consolidation zone, anchoring VWAP there shows where new buyers or sellers are stepping in. Then you can anchor to reversal point, or rather from reversal point. If a trend shifts direction, anchoring VWAP to that reversal confirms whether the move is backed by volume. Now, if price is above anchored VWAP, it means the asset is trading above the average price that institutions and big players have paid, signaling bullish momentum. Okay. Now, in this particular video, you can see that I'm also using an auto anchored VWAP, and you can see we're having 3 lines. So you should be looking out for price dominating within the lower channel if you want to get sell signals, or price dominating within the upper channel if you want to get buy signals. Okay, so let us look at the area of the VWAP acting as support and resistance. You can see clearly that price often reacts when it touches the anchored VWAP. You can see when it touches the middle line, you can see how it's serving as dynamic resistance and support, right? In this case, it's serving as a dynamic resistance because this is a sell move. If it was a buy move, it means that it's going to be a dynamic it's going to be a dynamic support, right? So if you want to look for a bullish setup, you should identify a swing low or breakout level. Okay, wait for price to retest the VWAP line as support. Then you look for bullish confirmation, such as candlestick patterns or RSI divergence. Then you enter a long trade once price confirms the bounce. Place your stop loss just below the recent low and set a target at the next key resistance level. But in this particular scenario, on this particular chart, we can see that it's a sell move we have currently, and this indicator, the VWAP that is auto anchored, it is currently, you know, uh just around the recent price activity. Okay, so it's not showing in the historical price movement. So now when you want to get a bearish setup, you identify a major swing high, or strong breakout area. Wait for price to retest your VWAP. You can see perhaps the price should start trading within the lower channel if you are using this VWAP auto anchored. Then you can see that price can bounce off the middle line serving as resistance. This would have been a good place to enter a sell trade. Okay, you can enter a short trade after you get your confirmation. Place a stop loss just above the recent high, so this is going to be somewhere around here in this case, right after you have entered somewhere around here, right, because the rejection already happened. Probably around here you got your rejection. See this particular candle, then you can place a stop loss above the recent high. Your take profits can be at the next support level. All right, by using this simple yet effective strategy, you can catch powerful swing trades while ensuring that you are trading with volume backed price action. But mind you, if you are swing trading, of course you'll be using higher time frames. Okay, pardon my time frame. I didn't know I was on the 15-minute chart, but basically you can use this strategy on any time frame. Okay, it works on any time frame. It's just that if you are swing trading, obviously as a swing trader you're going to be preferring higher time frames. Okay, that's just what I'm referring to. Now, before you apply this strategy, here are a few key tips to make sure that you are using the anchored VWAP effectively. Always combine with other confluences. Okay, you can use anchored VWAP alongside support and resistance zones, trend lines, and other indicators like the RSI or MACD for better confirmation. Then ensure that you watch for price reactions. Okay, if price bounces off a VWAP line multiple times, it confirms that that level is strongly respected. And then you can use avoid using the VWAP in choppy markets. Okay, anchored VWAP works best in trending markets where price respects volume weighted levels, and that is how you use the anchored VWAP for swing trading. Okay, some key takeaways for you are that anchored VWAP shows where real money is positioned in the market. Use it to identify trends, support and resistance, and combine it with price action and other indicators for high probability trades. Now I want to hear from you. Have you used the anchored VWAP? That is VWAP. That's what I'm referring to as the VWAP, right? Easy pronunciation. Now drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Okay, and before you go, hit that like button if you found this video valuable, and subscribe for more in-depth trading strategies and trading view tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.